Dear, I think the baby is coming.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, dear, we're here. Let me help you get out.
Ma'am, let me take you to the delivery suite. This way.
Hi, my wife is here to deliver. Thank you.
Hi. Welcome to Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital. Can I get you to remove your clothes and change into the sexy gown?
How do I look?
Very nice.
Let me help you. Madam, I'm going to strap you on a CTG, and this will monitor your fetal heart rate and your contractions as well.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, baby is coming. Come on, Rachel, you can do this. Keep pushing. Breathe in and push. Harder. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5.
Rachel, this is your miracle level after birth. Enjoy your skin-to-skin contact with your baby.
Rachel, we're hungry. Can we order something to eat?
Sure. Why don't you choose what you like from the menu?
I'm not sure if the baby is latching properly.
Hello, I'm the lactation consultant. Let me help you to adjust your baby's position to ensure a good latch.
Hi, Mommy, Daddy. Good afternoon. Here's your confinement lunch.
Thank
Enjoy your
you.
meal. Congratulations.
See you. Can I try some?
Hey, that's mine.
But sharing is caring.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi.
How is mommy and baby doing today?
Yes, we're good.
Alright. Okay. If you need any assistance, just press the bell. I will come and attend to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Okay. After ready to discharge, can I
Yes, please.
your luggage?
Thank you. I'm just careful. Slowly.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Baby, we're going home.
Let's go home.
Hi Rachel, I'm calling from Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital. I'm checking in to see if everything is alright. Let us know how we can help you if you encounter problems with breastfeeding, alright?
Hello! Baby is well and I've been recovering fine. Thank you for checking in.